Hello everyone, hope you are doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to do the disappearing magic trick like this one using CapCut mobile. So please subscribe and let's get to the video. Open CapCut, tap on new project, import the video. Now we want this blank background, so we can cut this part. So I want to disappear the moment I raise my hands, that part. So what I'll do is to tap on split and delete the end part of that video. Take the video out to this point, the moment I start raising my hands. Tap on split and scroll or swipe to the left, then tap on overlay. So place that video on overlay. What we want to do next is to use some part of the background. So cut this place and take it to the end of that video. So what we do now is to tap on the overlay video, then drag it to begin where the background is blank. So this is how the video will look like. Next, what we do is to add a sound effect. Tap on audio, then tap on sound effects. Here, search for whoosh wind, then tap on search. So this is the sound. Tap on add, and now we have to clip this sound effect up to that point. We'll increase the speed of the sound effect so that it matches with the clip. Then increase it to something like 1.8. No. So tap on overlay, then increase the speed of this video too. So like that, this way. Now it's time to add the video effect. So what we do is to tap on effects, then tap on video, then swipe and tap on nature, then tap on this second lightning effect. Now drag it to match the clip. We're left with one step, then we're done. So tap on overlay, tap on the second clip, then tap on this keyframe icon, then drag the video to the end, then tap on keyframe. Now zoom in the video. Up to this point, our video is ready to be exported, so let's export it. Now that our video is ready, let's preview how it looks like. I hope you learned something important from this video. If so, please consider subscribing, like the video, comment if you have any question. Have a good time, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.